Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain how Zeely'S analytic tools can improve your campaign. Zeely'S analytics tools help you understand what's working in your campaign by tracking key metrics like impression, clicks, conversion, cost per result, and return on ad spend, all in one easy-to-read dashboard. As soon as your ad goes live, Zeely'S start collecting real-time performance data and highlight which creative platforms or audience are driving the best result. These allow you to make smart, fast decisions like scaling up high-performing ads, tweaking underperforming ones, or shifting budgets to better channel. Zeely'S AI also gives you optimization tips based on your data, such as changing ad copy, targeting a different audience, or adjusting the schedule. These analytic tools now turn raw numbers into clear insight so you can continuously improve your ad performance, send smarter, and grow faster without needing to be a data expert.